For many years, I asked myself why some men seem untouchable, calm, and in control, while others scramble for attention, validation, and approval. The truth hit me slowly. It's not luck, it's not charm. It's what they do while they're alone. Being single in 2026 isn't a curse, it's a test, a filter, a stage where the average man falters and the high-value man rises. Most men panic when they're alone. They scroll endlessly, chase meaningless connections, and settle for comfort instead of growth. They confuse distraction for excitement, noise for meaning. But high-value men, they see it differently. They embrace the silence. They build discipline when no one is watching. They sharpen their focus when it's inconvenient. They control their emotions instead of letting them control their actions. Being single becomes their secret weapon. It teaches them patience. It teaches them selectiveness. It teaches them how to become someone worth respecting without relying on anyone else. And slowly, something shifts. Confidence replaces insecurity. Direction replaces chaos. Purpose replaces distraction. By the time others realize what's happening, the high-value man has already leveled up. He doesn't chase. He doesn't beg. He doesn't settle. He chooses. Because being single in 2026 isn't about being alone. It's about becoming someone so complete, so disciplined, and so unshakable that when the right person finally enters his life, they aren't saving him, they're matching him. Leveling up isn't optional, it's inevitable for those who dare to sit alone, build, and refuse shortcuts. And that's how high-value men win.